AI tools are revolutionizing how we work and create. From chatbots that enhance customer service to machine learning algorithms that analyze data, these tools can boost productivity and innovation. Imagine using AI for content generation, writing articles, or creating visuals in minutes. Then there are tools like image recognition software, which can identify objects in photos, making tasks like inventory management a breeze. And let's not forget about automation tools that streamline repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more creative pursuits. Embracing these technologies not only enhances efficiency, but also opens up new possibilities for collaboration and creativity. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Video generation is revolutionizing content creation. With Runway ML, you can edit videos seamlessly, remove backgrounds, and add stunning effects in just a few clicks. Pictory AI takes it a step further by transforming your blogs and scripts into engaging short videos automatically. Ever wanted to create videos with AI avatars? Synthesize.io makes that possible, allowing you to produce multilingual content effortlessly. On the voice generation front, 11 Labs offers ultra-realistic voiceovers that bring your videos and audiobooks to life. Muff AI provides studio-quality text-to-speech, perfect for YouTube and e-learning. And with Descript's overdub, you can clone your voice and edit it just by tweaking the text. Don't forget about other powerful tools like ChatGPT for script writing and idea generation, Midjourney for breathtaking AI art, and Notion AI to boost your productivity. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI.
Hey, thanks for watching. Raising hands. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like